Hello everyone. In last class we learned the magnetic properties of the materials, that is the magnetic induction, magnetic intensity, then the permeability and the magnetic susceptibility of the material. Depending upon the magnetic properties like the susceptibility, materials have been divided into three types or groups, which are known as the diamagnetic materials, paramagnetic materials and the ferromagnetic materials. Here we learn brief introduction about these materials of di, para and ferromagnetic materials. Okay. Matter is made up of atoms and the atoms are made up of nuclei. Atom is made up of a positively charged nucleus and the electrons revolves around the nuclei. Okay. Matter is made up of atoms and the atoms are made up of nuclei and electrons. The electrons in an atom move about the nucleus in a closed path and hence constitute electric current loops. Since a current loop has magnetic dipole moment, each electron in an atom has magnetic dipole moment due to the orbital motion. Also, the electron has a spin motion. Okay, electrons has its particular spin motion because of which it has the spin magnetic moment. The resultant magnetic moment is the vector sum of all such magnetic moments. The magnetic moments of the electrons of an atom have tendency to cancel in pairs. In number of atoms and ions, the resultant magnetic moment is 0. But in some cases, the resultant magnetic moment of all atom is not 0. Such an atom may be represented by magnetic dipole having the permanent magnetic moment. Okay, depending upon the magnetic properties like susceptibility, materials have been divided into three types, that is the diamagnetic materials, paramagnetic materials and the ferromagnetic materials. Okay, in this class we learn diamagnetic materials, what are the diamagnetic materials and their properties. Okay, diamagnetic materials are weakly repelled by the magnetic field. The magnetic dipole moments of all the electrons in atoms of diamagnetic substance cancel each other and resultant magnetic dipole moment of the atom is 0. Okay, here's the resultant magnetic dipole moment is 0. When an external magnetic field B is applied whose direction is normal to the plane of the orbit, it is negative for these materials. Okay. Thus resultant magnetic dipole moment is in the direction opposite to that of the applied external magnetic field. As a result, diamagnetic materials are repelled by the applied magnetic field and set itself at right angles to the direction of the field when suspended freely in the magnetic field. Okay, this is regarding the diamagnetic materials. Diamagnetic materials are weakly repelled by the magnetic field. The magnetic dipole moments of all the electrons in an atom of diamagnetic substance cancel each other and hence the dipole moment becomes 0. Okay, when an external magnetic field B, whose direction is normal to the plane of the orbit, is applied to such atoms, the net magnetic dipole moment is not 0, but it is negative for these materials. Thus, resultant magnetic dipole moment is in the direction opposite to that of the applied external magnetic field. As a result, diamagnetic materials are repelled by applied magnetic field and set itself at right angle to the direction of the field when suspended freely in magnetic field. Okay. Then what are the properties of diamagnetic materials? Every atom of diamagnetic material has zero magnetic dipole moment. This one is the first property of diamagnetic materials. Every atom of diamagnetic material has the dipole moment 0. Okay. Second one, the diamagnetic materials are weakly repelled by the magnet. Okay. We already learned it. Diamagnetic materials are weakly repelled by the magnet. Permeability of the diamagnetic materials is less than that of the free space. For diamagnetic materials, mu is less than mu naught. Okay. Then the relative permeability K is equal to mu by mu naught is less than 1. The relative permeability of diamagnetic material is less than 1. Then the susceptibility of these materials is negative, that is susceptibility is less than 0. Okay, it is important. In an external magnetic field, diamagnetic materials are weakly magnetized in a direction opposite to the magnetic field. Then next property is the diamagnetic materials lose their magnetism on removal of external magnetic field. See, diamagnetic materials lose their magnetization on removal of external magnetic field. Okay. Diamagnetism is found in solids, liquids and gases. If a watch glass containing a small quantity of diamagnetic liquid is placed in two dissimilar magnetic poles, the liquid shows a depression in the middle. Okay. Then the next property is, if a diamagnetic gas is introduced between the pole pieces of the magnet, it spreads at right angles to the magnetic field. Then the examples of the diamagnetic materials are silver, lead, silicon, nitrogen, copper, bismuth, gold, antimony, mercury, water, air, hydrogen, sodium chloride, etc. These are the some examples of diamagnetic materials. Here we learn what are the diamagnetic materials and their properties. Okay, in next class we learn the ferromagnetic materials and the paramagnetic materials. Okay, thanks.